welcome back to my channel. So today I have something exciting that I cannot tell you guys. So let us see. So now I'm gonna tell you guys the exciting mini notebook. So let us start. As you guys now do you know Christmas is coming, so I gonna gift you a mini notebook. So I'm gonna make 4. And to make this, so don't forget to show to your friends and just make it once and give it to your friends because Christmas is coming. So that's what the Santa gifts you. So if you want to meet Santa, so please like and subscribe for my channel. Share also with your friends and family. So guys, now let us start. Our ingredients is 1 A4 sheet paper and 2 markers and my especially colors. Unicorn, one is smiley, tonguey, and one like this. I'm gonna do this later. Now look at the second one. It's quite colorful. And look at the third one. It's quite yellowy. And then the last one is sky blue. look at made for our baby notebooks. So guys, if you want to watch this video, so don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Share with also your friends. So if you like this video, so bye bye.